Hi everyone, today let me show you how you can do a proper burping of your coolant system, which you can place this spill-free funnel on the top of the radiator with the proper fitting and turn the car on. Once the engine reaches to the optimum temperature, you will start to see some bubbles come out of the coolant system. Turn on the heater to the maximum and the fan to the second speed and wait for like 20 minutes. You can rev your engine from time to time to get all these bubbles out of the engine.